Is it possible for artificial intelligence to become the new Michelangelo of our time? This question may seem far-fetched, but with the rapid advancements in technology, it's a question worth pondering. Imagine an artist pouring their heart and soul into creating a unique portrait. This isn't a conventional portrait, mind you. The artist has chosen to construct a face using small metallic objects such as nails, pins, nuts, and bolts. The result? A dazzling 2D representation of a woman, each metallic piece contributing to the overall image in a symphony of creativity. Now, imagine this artwork, this labor of love, being fed into an AI image generation platform. The platform takes the original image and recreates it not once but multiple times. Each time the woman's face changes, morphs, and transforms, adopting different styles, from the rich textures of oil painting to the whimsical charm of Disney, the glossy realism of a photograph, and even the delightful 3D charm of Pixar. The artist, intrigued by this digital transformation, finds inspiration in these AI-generated images. However, this fascination is tempered by a creeping dread. A question forms in their mind, a question that sends a chill down their spine. Will we, the artists, become redundant in the face of such advanced technology? The journey of an artist is a dance between creativity and reality. The artist who created the metallic portrait embarked on this journey with a sense of adventure, driven by their passion for unconventional materials and methods. This journey led them to the intersection of art and technology, a place where AI became their unexpected collaborator. The impact of AI on art is undeniable. It has opened up new avenues, allowing for reinterpretations and recreations that would have been unthinkable a few years ago. It has blurred the boundaries between the physical and the digital, the human and the artificial. Yet it has also raised some uncomfortable questions. Can AI replace human artists? Is the age of AI the beginning of the end for traditional artistry? These questions continue to haunt the art world, casting a shadow over the bright possibilities of AI. The artist's journey is a testament to the transformative power of AI. It also serves as a reminder of the fears and uncertainties that come with such transformation. AI might be able to replicate styles, generate new interpretations, and even inspire artists, but can it match the human touch, the soul that an artist infuses into their work? That remains to be seen. As we move forward into the future, the relationship between art and AI will continue to evolve, continue to inspire, and continue to challenge us. The artist's journey, therefore, is far from over. It has just taken a new turn, one that leads into uncharted territories of creativity and technology. So, as we stand on the brink of this new era, let us remember art is not just about the product, but also about the process, the human journey of creation.